Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonyms quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of the word dry? The correct option is B. Wet. Question 2. What is the antonym of the word bright? The correct option is A. Dark. Question 3. What is the antonym of the word clean? The correct option is C. Dirty. Question 4. What is the antonym of the word fresh? The correct option is D. Stale. Question 5. What is the antonym of the word hot? The correct option is C. Cold. Question 6. What is the antonym of the word thick? The correct option is A. Thin. Question 7. What is the antonym of the word heavy? The correct option is B. Light. Question 8. What is the antonym of the word smooth? The correct option is D. Rough. Question 9. What is the antonym of the word high? The correct option is A. Low. Question 10. What is the antonym of the word deep? That's right. The correct answer is B. Shallow. Question 11. What is the antonym of the word natural? The correct option is D. Artificial. Question 12. What is the antonym of the word calm? The correct option is C. Stormy. Question 13. What is the antonym of the word noisy? The correct option is A. Quiet. Question 14. What is the antonym of the word safe? The correct option is A. Dangerous. Question 15. What is the antonym of the word wide? The correct option is D. Narrow. Question 16. What is the antonym of the word soft? The correct option is A. Hard. Question 17. What is the antonym of the word warm? The correct option is C. Cold. Question 18. What is the antonym of the word clear? The correct option is A. Cloudy. Question 19. What is the antonym of the word early? That's right. The correct option is B. Late. Question 20. What is the antonym of the word shiny? The correct option is A. Dull. Question 21. What is the antonym of the word cool? The correct option is B. Hot. Question 22. What is the antonym of the phrase green land? The correct option is C. Dry. Question 23. What is the antonym of the word alive? The correct option is D. Dead. Question 24. What is the antonym of the word blooming? The correct option is A. Withering. Question 25. What is the antonym of the word empty? Write down the correct answer in the comment section down below. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new, and I'll see you next time. Bye.